Hello everyone! Initially I intended this video as a guide to meeting people, but then I remembered that there is a division of people into extroverts and introverts, and I decided to split this topic into two videos. To be honest, I don't know which group I belong to, because I can easily find a common language with a person if I need it. Meeting people is one of the most important skills for development, and so now I will share my experience. It would be nice if you look at least a little bit difference with the rest of people. No, I'm just urging you to become a person of informal appearance, but I have a live example how I changed just one thing in my clothes and people started coming up to me on their own. I bought platform shoes. I agree, it's pretty varied looking, but I was instantly memorable to everyone. My original height is 195 centimeters. Wearing these shoes, I became 2 meters tall. A giant like me, people immediately approached me at school, at bus stops, on the way home from the store, everywhere they could. Of course, I'm willing to admit that it's an expensive treat. These shoes cost about 500 bucks, which is average wage in my area, but I have no regrets because they retain quality even after a year. To begin with, there are networking places in every city where the pressure for personal space varies. I agree, you won't always expect people to want to meet you. Just because of this, you have to go to events in your city or in the center square. I have no clue why I added a photo of Suhabadar Square in capital of Mongolia, but okay. I'm lucky. I live in medium-sized city and I have FEFU nearby. There are a lot of students from other countries here. There are a huge number of people studying here. It's one of the biggest universities in my country and it has all the facilities. The most important thing is that people don't mind you getting to know them, and it doesn't matter if you study here too or not. So I approached a student from India by simply saying, "Hello, can we meet?" He agreed to talk with me and I asked him where he was from, what state in India. He said that he was from the state of Kerala, to which I told him that I knew it, named the state capital Kochi, as well as his native language Malayalam, which is spoken but only about 30 millions out of more than 1 billion Hindus. The thing is, I used to plan a trip to India. I have an erudition in that area. When we went on to discuss his country, he thought I had already been in India.
Actually, I was walking by from my friend's dorm to go back to my dorm. That's when I met these two wonderful people. So their names are Grisha, both of their names.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
bye.
Thank you.
Meet you later. Bye.
In my personal opinion, foreigners are good because they broaden your thinking with communicating, especially when you don't have opportunity to visit their country. They give you a bit of their culture, the subtleties of their language. It's really impressive when I can tell just one stereotype or interesting fact about any country or nearby place. Such erudition attracts people. The fact is that I love to play various strategy games, as well as constantly looking at satellite map of the world in search of new places. As a kid, I loved to study the flags of different countries. I like it a lot. Now I have friends from India, but now with his help I can meet new people who are his friends. It's an interesting way to scale your environment. You can apply this principle to everyone and you will be surprised how your social cycle will increase. Goodbye.